Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. We have got a transformational show for you today. We're making Chick-fil-A Orange Chicken. What? Could this be possible? Well, I have heard it directly from the cows themselves, and little known fact, cows can't lie. So, grab your favorite Chick-fil-A sandwich for lunch, grab an extra order of nuggets for dinner, and get ready to eat more chicken. Orange chicken, that is. Oh, and don't forget to bring it. So what you're gonna need from Chick-fil-A is a 12-count Chick-fil-A nuggets, 1 orange juice, 2 Polynesian sauces, and 1 sweet and spicy sriracha sauce. We'll also add soy sauce and sesame seeds, which are optional. You'll also need a frying pan, silicone spatula, or spoon. When I first moved to LA, there was not a Chick-fil-A in sight. We had to drive to Torrance or Oxnard or Ontario, which, trust me, in LA traffic is a long way away. Well, since that time, Chick-fil-A has been popping up all over the place in big cities like New York and LA, and with a Chick-fil-A so close to where I live and work, I have been experimenting with some, shall we call them, off-the-menu creations. Now, I love Asian food, and so I thought I'd try to see if I could whip up an Asian-inspired dish using Chick-fil-A items, and I think we hit the mark. We have got something really special with this orange chicken that you can whip up in 10 minutes flat. Now, this is a one-pan deal. We're gonna do everything in a frying pan that we have over medium heat. We're gonna start by crisping up our nuggets. Now we'll just go ahead and stir them up. You can see them starting to crisp up right there. Now, I love using Chick-fil-A nuggets for this recipe because they're all white meat and they've got just a hint of sweetness that works great in this dish. Once they're all nice and crispy, we're gonna remove them from the heat and just place them on a clean plate. Next, we're gonna add our OJ. We're gonna let it simmer for just a little bit until it reduces by half. Why are we doing that? Well, reducing the orange juice will help to intensify the orange flavor and it'll also help to thicken up the sauce. Next, we're gonna add 2 Polynesian sauces. Now, if you haven't tried the Polynesian sauce at Chick-fil-A, it's a sweet and sour sauce which just screams Asian cooking. And then we're gonna add the sriracha sauce. Give it a stir. Now, the sriracha sauce is gonna bring some of the garlic flavor from the sriracha, some of the rice vinegar that you always see in orange chicken, plus it's gonna add a little bit of heat. Next, we're gonna add the soy sauce. Probably got one of these packets lying around from takeout. Now, when our sauce gets to our desired consistency, we're gonna add the chicken back in. Give it a stir until every last piece is all coated in that great sauce. And then we'll plate it up. So check this out. I have plated our orange chicken up over a bed of rice. You can get rice in your freezer section now at your local grocery store, heated up in like 2 minutes. Couldn't be simpler. Now, if you want to get really authentic, just go ahead and sprinkle a few of the sesame seeds right on top. Happy, happy, happy. Hey, these are Chick-fil-A orange chicken nuggets. Go get some nuggets. Try this orange chicken. The recipe's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make Chick-fil-A orange chicken in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Moo to myself.
Yeah, moo to yourself. And action.
Okay. These are Chick-fil-A nuggets. Nuggets.